Hi, it's Sam Weerawarna from 𝗬𝗘𝗏 Estate, and today I'm in Clyde North. You could find so many properties for sale in Clyde North, but this 3-bedroom house is absolutely unique in its own way. Alright, I'll give you an example. Out of many exciting features presented in this house, let's take just one feature: solar panels. Now, there are a handful of properties that come to the market with solar panels, but realistically, how many of those have batteries installed to maximize your gain? With the rising price of electricity these days, it makes complete financial sense to buy a house not just with solar panels, but also with solar batteries. Then you have newly installed premium laminated flooring, downlights all over the house, quality kitchen and bathroom fittings, and apart from ducted heating, you also have 2 split systems, one in living and one in master, saving up your gas bill as well. You know, there's something unique about this masterpiece, located in a fantastic pocket in Selandra Rise. Welcome to number 10 Camolina Way in Clyde North. As you enter, you're welcomed with high ceilings. To the right hand side sits a master bedroom with an ensuite and walk-in robe. The well-selected color contrast and layout instantly gives a warm and peaceful ambience, along with the living room situated right next to the kitchen. There's a second living area further down, which can also be utilized as a patio, home office, or al fresco with plenty of natural sunlight. The remaining well-sized bedrooms come with wardrobes with beams of natural light, central bathroom, and a separate toilet. Then you have a laundry with plenty of storage and backyard access. Location is what I like about this property. This one is well within walking distance to St. Peter's Secondary College, St. Thomas Primary School, Selandra Rise Primary, Coles, Woolworths, local childcare centers and kindergarten, parks and recreational facilities. Needless to say, this area is ideal for a growing family, investors, or a first home buyer. Well, I'm here to show you the property. Give me a call 048 0101 966, and I'm Sam from 𝗬𝗘𝗏 Estate.